Okay guys, so as you can see right here, we have our macOS Sonoma installed media now available here. The next thing we need to do, we need to go and copy our EFI folder for the as well. So let me just do that. Let me just copy documents. Okay, so this is my EFI folder. So let me just copy it and close this one and then paste here on the desktop. So what you need to do, we need to mount the EFI partition of this USB drive for Sonoma. So let me just open core configurator and then I'm gonna mount EFI. Remind me later. So this is my USB. Okay, so this is our EFI partition. Just copy this as well, EFI, and then paste it here. So guys, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to install macOS Sonoma on Haswell CPU with Nvidia GT 1050 Ti card in it. So and we're gonna see if it will work with the graphics or not. And for your information, the Nvidia GT 1050 is a Pascal card which is not supported on macOS since we don't have the web drivers for it. So we'll just test it and see how it goes. So let me just show you the motherboard. The motherboard is the Asus B58-M, something like that, but I'm gonna show you the motherboard and stuff so in a minute. So let me just close this one. Okay guys, you can see here we have our GeForce 1050 Ti card right there. Also the flash drive right there is the Sonoma, and then right here this is the NVMe that we're going to install the Sonoma, and this is our macOS Sonoma that I've just created, and this one is the 1050 Ti GeForce. As you can see, we have one display port, one HDMI, and one DVI. So what we need to do, I'm gonna show you how we can install it on this. So this is the motherboard that I was telling you about. This is the Asus B85M-E. So this is a Haswell motherboard, and you can see we have some few things there. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to install the I'm going to install the graphics card, and then after that we can continue. So touch. Okay, so this is our card. So let me just press it. Okay guys, so the next thing we're going to install is the SSD card. So we just plug it in down here. Okay, first I'm going to need to remove these two screw envelope, not envelope screws, just screws, so that it will just remain like so. So let me just do that. Okay guys, so I've just removed the good, so I'm just plug this one right there. And this SSD is really good and very cheap. I'll leave a link in the description where you can purchase it. 1 tera at a very small price in AliExpress. Also this adapter, it has also, we have the SATA SSD which goes here, and we have the NVMe which goes here, and also the SATA SSD. So this one will be the best for you to purchase if you need to get rid of the normal hard drive, so you can have much if you need to have your the 2880 SSD which goes right here, and then the NVMe here, and then SATA. So also I'll leave a link in the description. You can purchase this adapter. So let me just plug it in. And okay, so just like that, it's done. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to add this there. Okay, so guys, that's it. That's our motherboard's already set up. So the next thing you need to do, I'm gonna power it on, and then we can install. I'll show you the BIOS, and then we can install the macOS Sonoma. After that, we're going to see if this Nvidia GT Pascal card 1050 Ti will work and will have full graphics acceleration. Sorry, we're going to use OpenCore Legacy Patcher and test this. So let's go. Okay guys, so here on the Asus BIOS, you need to come here to CSM, and then you need to disable CSM, and then come here to secure boot, and then change the Windows UEFI mode to other OS. So after that, you're gonna hit on F10, save the changes, and then let's go. So there we go, we have our Kingston. So hit on enter, and then as you can see right here, we need install macOS Sonoma, and then there's the verbose. Okay guys, so there we go, we have our screen setup right here. So what you need to do, like all the others, just click on next, then we just zoom it there, remove the light a little bit. So we have install macOS Sonoma and boot utility. Just go to disk utility and then continue like so. The next thing you need to do, we need to format our, let me just focus this one. Okay, come here to show all devices, and then I need to delete this container, so I'm just gonna come here, erase, and we will name it Sonoma Nvidia. So just Sonoma NV, like so, but you can use your own. Come on, focus. Focus. Sorry guys, the camera is misbehaving right here, so just erase this one. And okay, so it's done. Click on done and then close boot disk utility and then install macOS Sonoma. So you'll have to continue here. This one is agree and then agree. So this is our Sonoma NV. Select our disk and then continue. So guys, the installation process will start, and I'm gonna pause the video and come back after the installation is done so we can continue. It will start a few times, but that's okay, we can continue after the setup screen. Okay guys, so here we have our setup screen. So let me just go with the default, or let me just go to, let me search for Kenya, continue. I'll leave it as default, so not now. My computer does not connect to the internet. Continue. And okay, not now. Agree. I'll just say no, and then enter the password. Verify 1 2 3 4, then continue. Okay, so continue, but if you need to enable, I will not use the location, and continue, uncheck this one, continue, disable Siri and continue. So just leave it at light. We just keep it at the light mode, yes, and then continue. Okay, so guys, this is it. This is our macOS Sonoma. So let me just continue. Z and continue. Okay, so if you go to about this Mac, you can see the display, it says is 22 MBs. So let me just go to the screencast and then you can continue from there. The kernel debug kit, which was needed in this version, so let me just patch this one and we get it done. So let me just open the OpenCore legacy patcher and let's wait for it to open, and then go to post install root patch again. So as you can see, available patches, Nvidia web drivers. Let's start root patching, and yes, enter your password. As you can see right here, guys, we have our Nvidia GT 710 Ti, and we have macOS Sonoma 14,1,1. So let me show you. Let me connect my network via my USB. Let me tether my internet from my Android device. So let me just connect it like so, and you can see right here it's connected. So guys, as you can see, this is the iMac Pro 11,11, and yeah, on this as well machine. So let me sorry, let me show you all the info. So the Nvidia GT 10.8, let me just is RTX. With RTX GT 1050. So is the 1050 Ti. As you can see right here, this is the Pascal architecture. So, and as you know, the Pascal is not supported in Hackintosh, only the Kepler ones. And so yeah, this is it. I'll leave the config.p list for this on the link in the description below, so that you can if you want to use it. If you go to graphic right here, you can see this is the 4GB Nvidia GeForce, and yeah. So guys, we have successfully installed macOS Sonoma on a GT 1050 Ti. So that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe, share, and I'll see you on the next one. And also I've put some link of affiliate in the description below if you want to buy the NVMe used in this video. The M.2 adapter also I've linked, and if you need the RX 580 also, I'll leave them in the link in the description below. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace, enjoy.